Hey, what's up everyone? So today we're going to take a look at the all new Ryobi 16-ounce all-purpose hammer. This thing has one of the coolest features I've ever seen on a hammer before. I can't wait to show you. I'll put it in a video here in a little bit. Let's take a look at this bad boy. You know, sometimes on our reviews here, we get really excited when we got the big fancy tools, but even the smaller tools such as a hammer can really get me excited. This thing is so cool. Check this thing out. Brand new out on the market. Now the total length of this is about 12¾ of an inch long. Now the head on this is 16 ounces. Handle length by itself, you're looking at 11 inches. So everything combined, 12¾ but we're gonna go Thor style on this. Right here you have a built-in magnet. Now this is a pretty powerful magnet. Let me show you. I'm going to put this screwdriver right on top of this magnet here and check out how well it holds. Now I'm also going to put a bolt up here. Look how strong this is. What is that for? Oh, it works with this groove right here. It actually allows you to tack these nails in before you drive them. So check this out. You got that little notch right there. We're going to take our nail, we're going to put it into that notch and then down into the groove here. The magnet holds it. Now check this out. Actually holds it in place and boom. No more tippy tappy, no more busted thumbs. You just take that nail, pop it right in there and just tack them in. How freaking cool is that? I'm being honest with you, I've drove nail after nail after nail. It works flawlessly every single time. Check out how easy that is. And of course, if you want to remove it now, you got your claw right here. Now, not only does this look cool, we got that Ryobi green going the whole way down the handle, with that nice rubber grip going the whole way down. Really balanced well, feels really good in the hands. Really happy with just how well that actually grips. And you don't have to worry about that stuff coming off because it's basically built right into the fiberglass handle. So I really like that. And again, with the 11 inches on the handle, very simple to remove those nails. Now let's see how fast I can drive these nails.
So fast.
Sometimes I just impress myself. Now, as much as I would love to give myself that much credit, let's actually drive these in real time. So again, everything feels really balanced, really comfortable in the hands. Got that really nice grip. You don't have to worry about slipping out if your hands are wet. All in all, really happy with that. It's not heavy at all. I will say one of the things that I noticed was the head on here does seem to have a brush finish. So after I was done hammering the nails and everything else I was doing before this video, it did seem to knock some of that finish off, but there was no damage to the metal itself. It was just the finish. Even after beating on a few cinder blocks, I have no issue with stability on this or safety. The fiberglass handle is very strong, but some of your finish on the bottom here will probably come off after a while. So at the end of the day, I really like the grip on this, the feel of this. I think the hammer is extremely sturdy. That fiberglass handle is very tough. I love that unique feature of actually being able to tack in those nails before you go to drive them in. I wish the finish held up a little bit better, but at the end of the day, there was no damage to the metal itself, just the finish. So that being said, I really like it. I think it's unique. I'll put the link in the description below. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at www.toolreviewzone.com, and we'll be back with more videos soon.